How does smoking affect your appearance? Every cigarette contains over 4,000 toxic substances. Many of these can damage collagen and elastin, components of the skin essential for keeping it firm and supple. The toxic substances also cause blood vessels to constrict, which inhibits blood flow and limits oxygen and nutrients from reaching skin cells. That's why cigarettes make your face prone to wrinkles, especially around your mouth, eyes and forehead. Loose skin and dark shadows under the eyes are also typical for smokers. Not only that, but damage caused by smoking results in sagging skin in other parts of the body, especially the breasts, upper arms and belly. Smokers are also more likely to develop psoriasis, stretch marks, hair loss and an uneven skin tone. Smoking is one of the main causes of yellow and stained teeth. It also increases the risk of gum disease, which can lead to tooth loss. There is no cure for skin damage caused by tobacco. The only thing you can do is stop smoking now, before it's too late.